Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing a cat and a pumpkin. The first step for our little kitty is to draw the top of its head just with a curve, and then a curve right on top of that, and another curve for the fur on top. We're going to start to make the ear. It's a big wavy line, and at the top bring it down with a big curve like this. On the other side, very similar with that wavy line, and make a curve, curve, curve in. There we go. Inside the ear, make a line like this, and then bump, and another bump. Kind of looks like a little wave or a 3 or something. Make a little line there. Big line down, and there's his ear. The other side, start about here and make that kind of wave pattern again. Bump. There's one. Bump. Bump. There we go. Same thing, make that big line. Looks awesome. Now let's start right about here where the ear is. We're going to make more of the fur, 3 bumps like this. On the other side, do the same type of thing. Bump, bump, bump. Perfect. Now start right here and connect to the other side. Very nice. There we go. Okay, now right about, I'm going to say here, draw a line out, line down, and line down. We're going to make a little tiny triangle for the nose. For the eye, let's make a big rainbow curve like this and bring it in around to form that oval shape. I'm going to make the other eye. Go around, and there we go. Inside the eye, let's make this little moon shape. It's just a curve like this, and then one on the other. And then we're going to make a little circle in the middle, a little circle right there. Love it. Now what we're going to do is color, color, color. We're going to color, color, color all the way right there in the middle. Color, 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 color. Fill it in. And then the other side, color, color, color. Make sure that you have everything colored, colored, colored into there except that little tiny white spot. And if you accidentally do it, you can get like a white gel pen and make a little spot for the eye. Now let's start right here, make a big, big pumpkin shape. There it is. I like that. Now go on the other side, and when you're doing this side, stop right about here because we're going to make room for the top of the pumpkin stem. It's going to be sitting down at the bottom. So we're going to make that by making a line like this, curve it around, and stop right about there because the top stem is going to come out like this. And then right there for the other side, close it up, go down, and then make like a little triangle shape with the line right in the middle that curves in. Right about here, let's make this kind of shape and little lines to make detail on the pumpkin. Start on the left and go around to touch the other side. That looks good. Now we're going to have to finish that pumpkin by bringing it all the way in, and to the best of your ability, just bring it to the side of the pumpkin. There you go. Now let's start right about here. And we're going to make these little tiny marks right here. It's just super cute little whisker mark. He's kind of looking like he's stuck in there. We're going to make a curve. And then a curve on the other side to make it look like he's really stuck inside our pumpkin. It's super cute. Now let's make these pumpkin lines. I just draw a curve like this. And then on the other side, draw a curve, 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 and stop right about there. And let's start here and make a line out. And we're going to try to make an eye for the jack-o'-lantern. There we go. There's a little detail mark. It looks like it's being carved. I'm going to draw another eye. Go around. And then make that same little mark inside that looks like it's a detail mark. And you can make your jack-o'-lantern look a little different than mine. Mine's going to be kind of spooky. Let's make a curve like this. Here we go. There's the mouth. Right about here, let's make some more pumpkin lines. Curve. I'll do a curve in the middle, curve at the bottom, and then right here, make one more line. Looks good. You can even make a line here. It's kind of wherever you want little detail marks for the pumpkin. I made one right there. We're going to put a little curly cues at the side, just with a line and out. Those are kind of like the little vines that get stuck to the pumpkin when it's growing. I'm going to do a little curl. That looks cute. On this side, let's make like a little leaf. There we go, with a little curve. And then go in and with a line. I'll make one more right here. Curve, curve, in and put a line. I love our little kitty cat and a pumpkin. If you enjoyed drawing with me, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for brand new drawings. And stay in color with me. Let's color. I'll see you next time. Bye.